Testing the calcium of your pool is really about determining how soft or hard your water is. The calcium level of your pool does not change quickly, so this test only needs to be done once per month. First, you'll need a testing kit. To collect a water sample, lower the test kit collector upside down into the water 18 inches, or until the pool water is almost up to your elbow. Flip the test collector right side up under water, and make sure you're taking the water sample away from the pool jets. Add 20 drops of calcium buffer reagent to the vial. Swirl the mixture. The water should turn red. Add the hardness reagent drop by drop to the red mixture. Be sure to count each drop and swirl the mixture after each drop. Once the mixture turns blue, multiply the number of drops you used by 10. This creates a parts per million calculation. Ideally, your pool will fall in the 150 to 400 parts per million range. If the calcium level is low, you need to add calcium chloride to your pool. Based on the size of the pool, follow the instructions included with the chemical. If the calcium level is high, drain a portion of the pool to lower the calcium hardness. As always, be sure to follow the product directions and safety data sheets.